Welcome! In this video, we are going to continue the next application software. We have custom written software or bespoke software. This software has been uniquely created only to meet the needs of a particular business or individual. Now, let's look at the advantages. Number one, you get what you want. So you request a certain software and you get it. Number two, a company that owns the source code for the program can change it as needed. Do you remember what is the source code? Let's look at a video to remember what is the source code. Do you remember when we spoke about the calculator and we said the calculator gives the computer a certain set of instructions to walk through? And we saw this file and we said that these are the set of instructions that allow the calculator to work on the computer. These instructions are what we call the source code. So this is the source code. When we edit the source code, we edit how the calculator works. And now let's move to the final advantage. A program may run faster because its code is optimized to serve that one purpose only. Now let's look at the disadvantages. Number one, it takes time to develop. So since it's a custom written software, it will take time to be developed. Number two, expensive because you must pay an ICT specialist to develop and produce the software. Number three, you may have to spend some time training staff to use custom software as it will not be like other softwares. Now let's move to customized software. An alternative to purchasing specialized software or using off-the-shelf general-purpose software is to customize off-the-shelf software. So instead of getting an expensive specialized software only for you or getting a very general off-the-shelf software, you can customize certain off-the-shelf softwares. That means it's not too specific nor too general. This should let you maintain the familiarity of general purpose software. That means the employees will not need to be trained, while allowing you to add other features that are important to you.